Let's talk about backing into a driveway. I'm a state certified instructor if you didn't know. So we're gonna turn that wheel. I'm looking over my shoulder. You can't always trust backup cameras. And I'm straightening out my wheels, going up very slowly, looking and checking, covering the brake, taking my time, going up really smooth and easily, looking, being gentle on the gas. You can see the backup camera. You can see the vehicle to my left, and I'm just covering, and I'm looking over my shoulder, going up really easily, just barely on the gas, right? I got a story to tell you. I had a young lady learning how to park. Hear the sensor? It tells you when you're near. But anyway, she was parking, didn't have sensors, and she hit the gas instead of the brake. Needless to say, it was a big surprise. So that sensor tells us we are near the object, and then I stop. So this is what the sensor does. If this brought you value and you learned something, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments. Thank you.